Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. I've got you a little, I call it an emergency gift. It's a last minute gift. We've got Christmas in a couple of days' time. You might be going out of town, you might be going visiting. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what the world is letting us do at the moment. But I thought a nice little last minute gift would be great. So it holds a jumbo tea light. So I've had these clearly bashing around in my inspiration drawer for some time, looking at the state of them. But these are IKEA ones. They're standard. You can get them anywhere. Tin cup, loads of them available. And it holds one in there. Very cute, very lovely. This was made with basic grey and a little piece of the basic grey designer series paper in the back. And then just a little stamped panel. And, oh, focus. Why is my camera so... Sometimes I want to focus, sometimes I don't. I've got a little background stamped image of trees with words over the top. I didn't want to make it too Christmassy, but I kind of wanted to give it a bit of a nod. So I've got a piece of cardstock here that measures 4 1/8 by 7 inches, which in metric is 18 by 10.5 centimetres. And you can, if you work in international A4, you can get 3 of these from a sheet of cardstock, because you take 1 from the top and then 2 like that, because, you know, you take 2 from that bit and 1 from the bottom. There you go. So on the long side, score it at 2 3/8, 3 1/4, 5 1/2, no, 5 5/8. 6 1/2, which in metric is 6, 8, 14, 16. Oh, much simpler in metric. And then on the short side, just simply score it at 7/8 of an inch. Okay. Oh no, I want to score it at the top and I haven't written that measurement down. Oh, what did I say? 7/8 of an inch. So 3 1/4. That's going to be 8 centimetres. Score that one too. Don't forget. Okay. This is real red. I decided that this was quite muted. Let's have a little fun with a pop of colour. So, yes, so Christmas is a couple of days away. That is a Friday. I don't have a video project for you. In fact, I won't have a blog project for you at all on Friday, but that's the only day of the year I don't have a blog project. But yeah, what are you doing? Where are you going to be? Okay, so my cat is in her basket on the other side of the office coughing. Okay, so I'm going to trim a little bit off the top just to mitre it, and then remove that rectangle, and then just cut straight up the squares and just take a tiny little bit. She's got a fur ball, I guess. So we will be at home, the 6 of us, here this Christmas. We are always at home anyway. But yeah, just the 6 of us at home. And it will be a very busy morning. My 2 youngest are still young enough to get up at the crack of dawn. At 9 and 12, that's going to happen. Right, this little panel here. So this is also Real Red Designer Series paper. Or rather, it's a colour collection Designer Series paper. And why have I measured that panel 2 inches by 2 1/8 of an inch? That's weird. I don't know why I've done that, but I've cut it wrong. But it should be 2 by 2, or 2 1/8 by 2 1/8, sorry, which is 5 1/2 by 5 1/2 centimetres. I think it's because I'm getting all giddy about Christmas. That's why I've measured it up wrong. But it'll be fine. Be all good. Okay, so that's on there. And then I want my Seal Plus, this bit here, bring it round, seal that. So that's the front, 2 sides in and the back in. More adhesive on there. And just gently pinch there. Not too hard, because you don't want it to go any further than that point. But your candle will fit snug as a bug. There is no room for movement. Okay, and it fits absolutely perfectly in there. So I'm going to get my teeny tiny little 1/2 inch circle punch. Probably need to get the candle out first so I can get it in far enough. And I'm just going to eyeball a circle in the middle, And the same on that side. Oh, that's a scented candle. Or actually, maybe it's just been getting up close to all of my other scented candles. That's probably more like it. Okay, so I went with the very fat and lovely shaded spruce on that one. We don't have another wide ribbon that is, you know, like that. We've got the in colour ribbons, but not quite as wide. So I'm just going with this real red. It's the satin ribbon. And then I've got my black and white baker's twine. And I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times just to keep it tight so that I can tie any kind of knot. Look, I've got 3 lengths of ribbon on the go here. So I can have a vague attempt at tying any kind of bow. Okay, so that bow is on there and that's what's keeping it closed. Let me just nick off that end there, and maybe they're a little on the long side. Let's trim those down a bit. That's better. And then just to finish, I've got this little panel that's oh, that's 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 of an inch. That's 4.5 by 4.5 centimetres. And I'm using waterfront because it's just got these little trees here and that lovely, lovely sentiment. So I'm going to pull out my trees and the sentiment, and I want my smoky slate. Oh, do I want smoky slate? Yes, I'll have smoky slate for my trees. And that's the wrong size block. It's fine, it'll do. And let's grab a scrap because I want to stamp off the smoky slate. Oh, just sneezed really loudly inside my head. Thankfully it didn't come out loudly on camera. Actually, that's pale enough. Let me see what second generation is. No, that's too pale. So I'm going to go with that and just stamp it on the edge a little bit. Oh, okay, there's Wink of Stella all over my ink pad. Okay, might have to be sorting that out, and then I'm going to make sure that fits in everything. Every little kindness makes the world a little brighter. That's, oh yeah, I know, I remember why I chose that particular sentiment. I figured candle and brighter. It might have got lost in translation, but yeah, that was the thought process between using that particular phrase. And then just in the middle. Super quick, 8 minutes 40 seconds, super quick project, great emergency gift, or great last minute gift, or great just, I want to say thank you because you're awesome kind of gift. So thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas wherever you are, that you enjoy your holidays and your time with your friends, your family. If you're alone this Christmas, just pop a message to me and I'll say hello. All right. See you the other side of Christmas. Bye.